Just explaining why I've been on my phone for 4 days instead of digging. It's because as a novice, and does anyone else find this, you spend so much bloody time googling, is this okay, is that okay, is this okay, and second guessing yourself. And at the moment I'm googling whether you can put unfinished compost in the ground. But is that okay? Is that a thing? Seems to be. I'm just gonna crack on, but if anyone's got anything to say on the matter, that'd be ace. Thank you. Hello friends, my mum is here so she can accuse me of being a garden Nazi again, and she's got parsley to put in the ground. So I'll have 2 things in the ground, very exciting. Oh, and by the way, I looked in the other compost bin and that compost is loads better, so problem solved. But any thoughts on compost, please put in the comments, because it's ever so interesting. That I actually mean it's interesting. That wasn't supposed to sound sarcastic. It's fascinating. That sounded sarcastic too. It genuinely interesting. Does look a bit better, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The other one looks better. Problem solved. Problem solved, YouTube.
Smell poo in the air.
Show you these. Look at those. Look at those fatties. There's loads and loads of worms in there. Aren't they beautiful? Beautiful. Come on, little friends.